if fx equals x minus 3 over 4 and gx equals 1 over x, find the following. In part A, we have f circle g at 2. That's the composition of f and g. This is by definition f of g of 2. So we find g2 first, then evaluate f at that value. So f of g2. So here the g function, gx is 1 over x. So g2 is 1 over 2. So f of 1 over 2. Now evaluate the function at 1/2. Simply replace x by 1/2. So 1/2 minus 3, 1/2 minus 3 over 4. Simplify, whatever is the number, that's the answer. 1/2 minus 3, 3 is 6/2. Okay, so 1/2 minus 6/2, negative 5/2 divided by 4. 5/2, this 2 goes on the bottom, so negative 5 over 2 on the bottom. 2 times 4, 8, negative 5/8 final. Similarly, we have g composite f at negative 4. So evaluate function f at negative 4. So g of evaluate f at negative 4. So replace x by negative 4. Negative 4 minus 3, negative 7 over 4. Okay, f at negative 4, f at negative 4, here is the function. F at negative 4 is negative 4 minus 3, negative 7 over 4. Okay, so now we evaluate g at negative 7/4. So replace x by negative 7/4. So 1 over x, x is negative 7 over 4. So this is reciprocal. 1 over something means reciprocal. 4 goes on the top. This is negative comes to the front. So negative 4 over 7. In part C, now for generic x, what is g circle or composite f at x? That's g of fx, and fx is given by x minus 3 over 4. Now treat x minus 3 over 4 as x, and this reads gx. Gx is given by 1 over x. So gx is 1 over x, x minus 3 over 4. That is now reciprocal. 1 over something means reciprocal. This 4 goes on the top like in part B. So this will be 4 over x minus 3. Okay, now we need to find the domain of g circle f, g composite f. So basically this function, we need to find the domain. Okay, and when we plug in the fx is x minus 3 over 4, this one has no restriction because the bottom is a number, and we will not be dividing by we will not be dividing by 0. There is no division by 0, so this part is good. Now the problem is here, 4 over x minus 3. So x cannot be 3 because then we are dividing by 3 minus 3 0. So the domain of this function, there is no restriction here, is all reals except 3, because 3 makes the bottom 0 and 4 over something 4 over 0 is undefined. Or we write in this way, negative infinity through 3 parenthesis, that means we are not including 3, union 3 through positive infinity final.